Prevent lifting issues. Nail beds must be clean and prepped with a dehydrator like alcohol. Cuticles push back. With a small amount of polish on your brush, start 3/4 of your nail and paint down to the tip. Then at the 3/4 line, gently guide the liquid up towards the cuticle, without touching the cuticle. Finish painting the rest of the nail, and cap the edge. Do the same thing for the next coats, starting at 3/4 of the nail. Go around your cuticle line with an orange stick or a toothpick to clean up the cuticle and get any liquid off of your skin before curing. Enjoy, you are done.